What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to duplicate on the inventor machine, of course. So, first of all, first person, hey, get it. Fuck you. Anyways, first get the item that you want because that's how duplicating works. I want to duplicate the pumpkin pie, and then you need to get one piece of goop. And you need to get a bomb. What type of bomb do you like? It needs to be on the explosives so you can activate it. I'm gonna choose the flash bangaroo, and that's it pretty much. But if you don't own bombs, then you can use the stick. Clever. Now I have infinite pies. And then you just need to activate the bomb, and then you have only the item that you want. I did it with this. I did it with this thing and this huge galaxy egg. Crazy. And with this coconut shell, but I have a 27 cooldown. You know what? I'll do a giveaway with these because why not? Okay, I'll be patient. Why does it look so yummy? Yummy in my mouth. There we go. This is my favorite item. I don't know why, it's just super overrated. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of a giveaway. So that's how you get duplicating.